Gị Igbo ndị mana ege ntị n'ụbọchị nke taata biko na o nwere news iPhone na internet nsị ka m wetara unu video anụ amara m na asị na Mbaka na Ebube Mounso nwere problem before. According to this video m na-afọ ebe asị na Mbaka na Ebube Mounso nwere problem before. I don't know, anabeghị m ya before and I'm not sure about it. I just mbata ọlụ na-afọ ka the news na-eseculating wee sị mba na akakwa mma ka eti ya ọnụ because na o nwere ndị ka m wee malụ nwekwa ndị ka m wee nọkwa dị okwu maybe you know go ndo nele na m nwa nọrọ so pending mgbe dị okwu ji wee dị mwa dị ebe anụ I don't know about it. So I'm here na na-ekwu bụ according to this video and because secondly enwere ihe m chọrọ ikwu. I believe na anyị niile bụ mmadụ nwere ihe I like nwere ihe I hate. Only he like when he hate. I'm doing this now as a form of official talk. Ibia, I've been saying this. Ibia phone a video until a like area. Please walk away. Because I have run this channel for over 2 years. 2 years December or 2 years Kaikano. 2 years, yes, successfully 2 years. And in that 2 years, Muna mother clash because the way Muna mother is a clash here in these few months. And by the time we check calendar, now for now, the first comment or third comment, first or third comment. If you don't have na comment section, please and please, if you don't like video quickly go away because now now this channel we post about IPOB. Enwe maka Ojuku, enwe maka Biafra, enwe maka so many things, enwe maka traditional wedding, some of the happenings na Ndigbo, man that one they aside. So for the last 2 weeks, a lot of things na on social media and people has been in their opinion. Ibia funa mmadu, ihe mmadu postu, inwe ike obuno maka your daddy GO, inwe ike obuno maka your reverend father, inwe ike obuno maka your pastor. Walk away from there. Not that you come here, ipale chama bu na drug me, ipale onye dị na comment section. Ime kwa feel any Igbo ghost, onu ma adi okwa mma o. Mama myself, onu ma adi mma. Before I put say, hey, you na akpali your followers, can't you respect yourself? Can't you for once respect yourself? Ime ti video maka this week, eti go video maka ihe na-eme na Ghana up to 4. Inside that 4, I don't show na comment to na those 4 videos elu 6. Among na some of you na winch that you people don't okay eti him maka pastor or father or power evangelist could be anybody na support or you like or you hate or wutege one no walk away and choose the one that you like. Eti go mi he maka Biafra. Epost go maka Nnamdi Kanu. Kedi ihe bụ instead of you in a comment section on Monday Bawamba, okay, why can't you leave or by force in a video? You have your data and then the more I have my data and upload. Can't you sometimes reason okay in a week this guy in a TV video on this channel almost every day I make sure that even in my busy schedule I make sure okay I come out and post video. You complain in my data, you talk too much in you complain in more data can you post those videos. If they see maka money, that dibiaga or that your pastor or that your reverend father in Nigeria or on social media had 100 pastors on social media, so 2 or 3 that the account are not monetized. I don't like it. I'm coming here now because now the way some of you is a push, you go keep push him meku. Keep push you are beginning makwana onye na agwoku nwere ihe na like nwere ihe na hate. And some of you feel that you can come to a platform and think you can control that platform to the way you like yeah. Even at school, I need nigga school when subject I hate. Like more now, when I school hate in mass, I don't sit down and listen to them. Because I hate you, mean I stress my brain. Even you like you hear mother post, you walk away. There are so many people known at this social media. I don't post their videos because I don't like them. And the only places here, Jman for my comment there. There are thousands and millions of things in the your data, man. Instead of it call one, why not do that your data? Jen never believe him na social media. Instead of it call one that you don't like. I'm not happy. I am not. Imali hemmadi ya gwagigi oiman dinwe igwanamia. Oha. Take it or leave it. Igwanamia. And most of you are hypocrites. You come to watch in Kagwa Fadu Noku and you will never go there and commend your father or your pastor or your evangelist. You guys are doing too much. You will never condemn it. Why people ask me, why did you put this one here? I'm so disappointed. You are now and what's respected? Respect. How much value is your respect? How much is your value of your respect? What you gonna call what on here? You have been respecting me, but you don't comment on my videos. Man, and Katie is in Kebasalege. If they say I've been watching you and I've been respecting you, or this you are beginning to go this way. You can't tell me what I want, and you can't dictate for me who to like and who not to like. You cannot do it. You don't even dare. Most of you can hide there into fake account in rubbish. Even one-on-one, blue swag nana. So what's the chago no put chago no? You don't do that. Some of you want respect. Respect is walking away from something that you don't want. Okay, you don't like this thing, okay. You walk away from it. Rather than needing the bali feel like you're supposed to give your liberty. I don't care. In your family and your generations. You do not also know well on no job. I really thank the ones that are watching Kobana. Them most of people notice ago, and they don't even care about how they will leave it. I'm one day okay, how watch go video, okay, they are in love with the channel. Kobana ha natural gonna have for them, but they walk away. They walk away. No one want him not like when he hate, just like you. When you will never see me engage people, it's becoming too much, and all the more popular you want to control what you don't know. You want to control can everything be in your favor. I'm saying this in a corner and I'm like in Sobu. And I'm like in Sobu. I don't like me pay my block list at this channel. There are over 300 people block go because I don't want problem. I rather go with the ones see them mama. This type of people put as they get you people may behave, some of you may behave like a bandit.
The other priest Father Ebube Mounso was referring to is Elijah Enugu. You know, the thing is that then Hatariaka crackers biscuit. You know, Adoriaka small tiger generator. Then Ojikwe na copy, not only copying, and now I could remember. You know, those like all these things he is doing to Ebuka now is exactly the thing he did to Father Ebube Mounso. And then Akachiria Father Fu, he was newly ordained, like he said. You know, a lot of things so go ejikwe na make ya asino nwe ko ejiriana do member a lot of things. You know, I was born and raised in nature. I wanted to be precise. I know a lot. People like us know a lot of what happened regarding this statement Father Ebube Mounso made. Nena wada now neno mpo park nenuke. Then all of us used to go to Enugu for a our mom used to drag all of us. Then it just high school, but I akwado kaije ayeye. A lot of things was said just to discredit and sabotage or pull down Ebube Mounso then. Because when he started, he was on top doing things. God is using him mightily. Just like God is using Evangelist Ebuka now. Elijah. You know, one thing about him that I noticed that there is this part of him, like this jealousy part of him. It has nothing to do with him being a father or whatever. Yeah, his personal life. And I wasn't expecting him to still be putting all those kind of behavior up to this old age. You know, Father Ebube was Father Ebube mentioned only Nana Copia. He then said something about member Atihose, because then when Father Ebube started, a lot of people that are always from going to Enugu from Anambra or Onitsha, you know, kind of diverted to UK. You know, like Enugu is number one then, or right from day one. Or let me say, it's as if no one number one in terms of all this adoration or ministry or anything. That all these 5 major Igbo states in Southeast, everybody always stood there on Fridays to Enugu for a year. And God was doing his thing then. I must give it to him. But when Father Ebube started, it looked as if that people, especially from Anambra, diverted to UK, including us. But we used to go to Enugu once in a while then. But you can't compare the distance from Awada, where I was born and raised, to Enugu, and from Awada to UK. Then Awada name Park, you know Park, you know? So it looks as if that people, those people that are going to Enugu from Anambra, especially, diverted to Ebube Mounso, and it affected the crowd or things that has to do with Enugu then. Also, the like Enugu is trying to pull Father Ebube down, saying all sort of things then. But guess what? Whoever God has approved, no matter what you do, just like I told Fadisim Kocha, name maybe the fasting, ka short movement, binye no chile chaplet, do you think God is stupid? You think God deal with your human emotions? You think God answer prayer based on your own selfish interest, your own like stupid emotions as a human being? No, God is different from us. And he know he's choosing one. He know who he approve. And as far as God approve whatever we are doing in this life, or whatever you are doing in this life, no matter what, whoever trying to, it can never work. That is more reason why sometimes I come out here and will be laughing of all those ones and I say, Father, what do you mean? What is fake? We fade. You're no matter of time. It is sinka. And I used to tell people, the fact that this person is a father evangelist or call you whatever doesn't mean that ni onokuru Holy Spirit is yaku. Ni onokuru bo chuku siyaku. Nah, sometimes they speak from their own flesh as a human being. And the being you father, being you evangelist, being you whatever, doesn't stop the fact that you still have your own life to live as a human being, your own normal reasonings. That is why I told people, I used to tell people that being a good person comes naturally. It has nothing to do with your professional title. You know, so Elijah Enugu, there is this atom of jealousy in him right from day one. I don't want to start mentioning some certain things, you know, from some of Ndigbo politicians that when he is whatever with them didn't align together, he will start going against the person. A lot of things. But let me just stick with what I'm talking about. You all should be praying for him so that that jealousy aspect of him, like that side of him, God should have mercy on him. Yeah, but here daddy, me na godfather, in our godfather. Ihe niile atalo Ebube Mounso then, for the Ebube Mounso, everything they did to pull him down. Guess what? God kept lifting him, pushing him. Now, for the been a big name now. Who goes you? For the been a big name now. A lot of things happened then. I think all towards that period, because after that period, the car be or survival. Some people till today never believed. But those of us that live in Onitsha, born and raised, know exactly this whole story. That's the reason why sometimes when we are talking, you need to shut up and listen. That you are not more Catholic than us. I am a Catholic. You say I am a Bidoria. I am a Fowaranya. In there. All these village boys in a future in life. Illiterate. That they use common sense to reason. Any putani ku some things higher out. Hana equity. They dealt with Father Ebube then, just like what they are doing to Evangelist Ebuka now. But he's still doing his thing till today. Go to America, care for crowd. People Jew there. You know? So the person for the Ebube was referring to with Elijah Enugu. And those of us in Onitsha can tell. We know everything about what that statement he made. We know. You know? And this is my problem with Elijah. After all these years, you have been doing your thing. More than 30 years or close to 30 years now. With all these younger ones. Why can't you relax and do your thing? Some of you feeling like in such a goba, Ijidim mepe ministry, a main car, Ijidim, Idokoro crowd, he did deceive people. It should not didn't start today. And this whole thing is causing confusion. That is where I have issue with Fadisi culture, because I am a to manipulate the minds of innocent Catholics. Actually, kejiwesia na nka u fake ejime nka ka short all down nka eji short all down nka because of his own personal selfish interest. You all should pray for those fathers than trying to defend all this their nonsensical attitude on social media. God the one.